These are exciting times in Hudson County and at Jersey City Medical Center. Our orthopedic program, which is already outstanding, is now doing the most advanced robotic surgery there is. No longer one has to travel across the Hudson to New York City or anywhere else for that matter to receive the best. We have specially certified nurses for orthopedic post-op care. We have physical therapy. We have outstanding operating room personnel and an additional investment in robotic surgery. That pushes the envelope to a whole new, different level.
We're now employing robotic technology in the area of hip replacement, knee replacement, and even spine surgery in the field of orthopedic surgery. So we're very excited to bring this technology to Hudson County and the Jersey City Medical Center because the patients of Hudson County deserve the most cutting-edge, technologically advanced surgeries.
This is going to be the first Mako Robotic hip replacement in Jersey City Medical Center, and we're very happy about it. In orthopedics, we're always looking to make things better. We're never satisfied. We always think, how can we make a procedure that is so successful better?
So watch this robot move. Once I come into the field, the Mako Robotic arm-assisted technology is much less invasive, and it also ensures an accurate and precise installation of the implant.
We believe in bringing the latest and greatest technology to our patients. We like to use this technology to help advance our patients' lives and make them better. So we're able to bring all this technology to all the patients here that need total hip or total knee replacements and help them live the quality of life that they want.